introduce our today's guest speaker. Sergeant turned out to be a deputy superintendent of police of CBI and superintendent of Central Excise, Ramakant Sarangdar from Mumbai, sir. So as I already told you, he is air warrior for 15 years in the trade of instrument fitter, and he was also a bodybuilder for quite some time in service, representing Indian Air Force in the services. And we will come to know all his achievements during the course of the discussion with him. And also he served in Central Excise Department for 26 years. And in between, he had a stint of about 7 years as a CBI Deputy Superintendent of Police. And among other things, he also dealt with the famous and sensational others scam case in which he interrogated some of our generals and all prominent people. So he was one among 6 inquiring officers interrogating, I think, 104 people involved in that scam. So which took away the CM's post, and as CM himself was involved at that point of time, and some of our lieutenant major generals. So now, welcome, sir, Saranga, sir. So kind of you for having accepted within a short span of time and got prepared to deliver your message on this. And sir, if you are on the phone, you can put it in a horizontal way so that you are visible totally. Yeah, okay, now it's go. Okay, sir, go on, sir. Please start your journey, starting from your childhood, where you were born, and education briefly. Then we will go with our Air Force career. Thereafter, with that exciting career of civil life. Yes, sir. Please start. So, where were you born, sir, and when were you born?
I was born in Girgaon, Mumbai. That is a hut on September 1950. I studied in municipal school from 1st standard to 7th standard. Thereafter, I joined the high school. So, during the high school period, I was having some technical subjects. So, for technical subjects, I used to go to Elphinstone Technical High School. And other subjects like physics, chemistry, math, and English, I used to go to Aryan Education High School. The Aryan Education High School was having some affiliation with Elphinstone Technical High School. It was in that area, within that area only, Girgaon area.
Okay.
Elphinstone Technical High School. It is opposite to Metro Cinema in Mumbai.
Mumbai, okay, sir.
So after passing my 11th class, that time SSC was 11. I passed SSC in 1975. Last batch of 11th SSC.
Okay,
after
sir.
passing the SSC, I wanted to join VJTA as a diploma for diploma skill, but my family financial condition was not there. So I was searching for a job. So one of my friends bought an advertisement of Indian Air Force, and this thing motivated me to join Indian Air Force. So I just went to this thing, Niranjan building near Marine Lines. It was just walkable distance from my residence. I went there for interview, and I given the interview, written exam, practical, and I was selected. And that main officer, Mr. Hanover, was there. He told that tomorrow you have to go to Bangalore for training. So everybody was surprised at my home and all. I had not gone a single day out of Mumbai, because I was in school full day only, and we don't have a village and all. So all my relatives are in Mumbai only. I never gone out of Mumbai.
Achha, never went out.
All of a sudden, to go to Bangalore.
For the first time, traveled to Bangalore.
First time I went to Bangalore by train.
Okay, sir.
Of course, I got many friends during this center. One of my friend was Mr. Anand Thakur. He was also staying nearby, and he also got the same trade, instrument technician.
Now, how did you get selected?
So his father came to my house along with me.
Yeah, were you preparing for the exam? You got selected
There was
just like that?
Some written exam.
No, did you prepare for the exam? Did you prepare for the
No exam, nothing. That I went walking.
Achha, okay.
No exam was there, no preparation.
Okay.
Simple, I was not knowing it. I just went to inquire. And they have taken my written exam, practice, and interview.
So I think it seems that you are.
It was easy.
Okay, right, sir. You were banned
with
technical
experience in the school. That is.
Okay, sir. Please.
Technical experience in the school now helped me to
Okay.
just clear pass the practical exam.
Okay, sir.
So my training was in Bangalore, Jalali West. After training, I was posted to 101 Squadron Adhampur in 1977
Okay, sir.
and MiG 21. MiG
Okay.
21. Yes.
Okay.
I was working in DSS. My main duty was to charge the oxygen cylinders of the MiG 21 aircraft. And after flight servicing, that changing the cartridge of Sarpapa, that flight data recorder is that I was changing, that duty was given to me. And sometimes I go for inspection of flying and all. Very after some time. So during this, during one of corner, I was sent on wagon PD. It took 26 days from Jalandhar camp to Awadi. I did three open wagons, actually 3 tractors in open wagons, along with what MTD. He was also new recruit MTD, and I was just not even completed 19 years, and I was posted in one of I was sent on TD. So during the till December month, I traveled from Jalandhar camp to Avadi, carrying all 3 tractors. That is the one experience I had in 101 Squadron.
Sir.
Thereafter, I went for conversion. After passing conversion course as instrument fitter, I was posted in 24th Squadron, Bareilly.
Okay, sir.
Bareilly, there I was working in R&S.
Okay.
There I got acquaintance with one Mr. Shaw. He was football player, Air Force football player. One day, he took me, after I was doing exercise in gymnasium. So one day he took me to Central Air Command, Allahabad. And he introduced me with one of his friend, Mr. Mohan. He was bodybuilder and working in Sports Control Board, Allahabad. And he told him that he want to do bodybuilding, and he didn't get for going for coaching camp bodybuilding. So that Mohan, same day he has sent a signal to my 24th Squadron to relieve me for coaching camp at Pune. So by the time I came back to Bareilly, I reported in 24th Squadron duty. I was told to go on TD to 2 wing for bodybuilding coaching camp.
Bodybuilding.
From
Okay.
there, my career was changed. Possibly. I
Okay.
shifted to bodybuilding. I worked hard in bodybuilding, whatever, and I represented Central Air Command first time in 1980 in Inter-Command Bodybuilding Championship, that is Air Force, Mr. Air Force Championship. And first time I got 7th place.
Okay.
Place.
Okay.
But I was just newcomer. So all these senior bodybuilders appreciated me very well done. We are very good at coming up figure. So I was enthusiastic and I was doing bodybuilding very sincerely. Thereafter my squadron, 24th Squadron shifted from Bareilly to Ambala. So I also came to Ambala. Now Ambala is coming under Western Air Command. So from Ambala, hello?
One second,
Can you listen me?
Yeah, one second.
From Ambala,
Yes, sir. Okay, go on, sir.
from Ambala, I came for bodybuilding coaching at Subroto Park, Western Air Command, Subroto Park Gym. Then in Subroto was there from 1981 to 1989. Because all senior bodybuilders were there initially, I used to do exercise with them. And next year I got 4th position, and next year I got selection in Air Force.
So I have got some of your
Inter-service.
bodybuilding photos, sir. You just shared with me. I'll just share with them. 1 second, sir. 1 second.
Yeah, that is WSC. WSC, yes.
An issue. Okay, sir. We can share subsequently. Now I'll show you. There is some issue. Yes, sir. Go on, sir. Yeah. Ramakant sir.
So yes, sir.
Yeah, there is some issue.
During the inter-services competition,
Yes, sir.
can you listen me now?
Yeah, I can hear, sir.
So
Speak.
during the inter-services competition,
Speak close to phone, sir.
Tambram.
Yes, sir.
Yes. During the inter-services competition at Tambram,
Yes, sir.
I had given a test for judges,
Okay.
bodybuilding judges. Everybody was giving test that time. I also appeared and given my test. And I only passed in that exam, that
Okay.
bodybuilding judge test, and nobody else was passed. And I became a services judge for bodybuilding.
Service judge
So
for
many
bodybuilding
times I
also.
have
Yes,
just
sir.
for
Okay.
services judge for bodybuilding. So many times in local competition, Delhi competition, I used to sit for judgments of bodybuilding competition.
Okay.
In 1986, I became sergeant after 10 years of service, and all my seniors were posted out from WSC. So I
Oh.
was only the senior most sergeant in the WSC in bodybuilding team. So I automatically become coach of the bodybuilding team of WSC. I was
Okay.
coach come captain. I was 100% participating in competition as well as I was as a senior most. I was a coach.
So you have become a coach,
And
you become a
in
judge,
the
and you
year
have become a captain also. All the three
captain
for bodybuilding. Great. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And in the year 1989, I was posted to Two Wing, Pune, as a bodybuilding coach. On sports ground, I got posting to Two Wing, Pune. I
Yes, sir.
reported to sports section, Two Wing. After 2-3 months reporting at Pune, I got a pre-release course.
Yes, sir.
Pre-release course at ATI Advanced Training Institute, Tamram, or 1 year. That was a 1 year course at process instrumentation.
Okay.
I want to tell you that when I was doing bodybuilding at WSC, one of my friends sent me a admission form for AMI, Institution of Engineers in AMI. He was
Achha.
staying at Calcutta, he has sent me form.
Okay.
I astonished to see that form and I just filled up the form and I got the admission. And very next distinct session, I appeared for 2 papers and I cleared that paper. Easily I cleared that paper.
So
I got
easily, so
instant.
easily you
I
cleared
cleared
papers
another-
for AMA also. Very easily. Okay.
Yeah. So easily I completed section A in 1985 itself.
Okay.
Only the
90.
section B I joined classes at Delhi.
Okay, sir.
For section B I joined classes at Delhi.
Okay.
Institution of Engineers India, that is at ITO, and in Gold Market also I used to attend the evening classes.
Okay,
I
sir.
cleared maximum paper, only 2 papers left. That I cleared only in 1989 when I was undergoing a pre-release course.
Okay.
Had I been completed earlier, at least 1 year earlier, I could have tried for commission in Indian Air Force as a
Okay.
technical officer.
Okay.
So no problem, I am not worried about that. I got a white soap outside.
Yeah. You,
So I
yeah.
did not try after. I got
Absolutely, you
white
had no
soap
regrets for
outside.
that. You became much
In
more than
different
that.
levels.
Yes. Yes,
No
sir.
regret for that. No.
Yes, sir.
So after completion of so many courses I did during the service, Air Force service, outside of the private courses also, in service course also, aeronautical inspection service course, and getting training on different aircraft and all. So many courses, so many things. Even television mechanic course also I did. I did a security officer course at Kakkar Institute at Delhi.
Okay. Okay. So many.
For
Yeah. You are,
survival, I did.
so
I
it
decided
means you
to
are
go out
working.
of
You are
place, so
always
for
improving
survival, something is
yourself, working on yourself, improving your capabilities.
Yeah.
That's great, sir. Ah.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Then
So I left Air Force. Air Force on 31st December 1990.
1990.
After availing 2 months LPR.
Yes. So why did you
2
leave,
months
sir?
LPR. January and February 2 months LPR. Leave pending.
So
For
why
better
did
leave pending retirement? No, that 2 months.
no? Why did you
I
leave
le-
Air Force, sir?
left
Why
because
did you
of the-
leave? Why did you leave Air Force?
I left for better prospect and near to home. I wanted to settle down my hometown. That my hometown is Bombay. All the people are coming from all over the world in Bombay, and I am living Bombay. So I felt that I will get better job in Bombay.
Achha. You
Was
wanted
that
to get
only-
settled in your
And
hometown.
same
itself.
atmosphere.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, definitely.
So then, what did you do, sir? After
So
that,
I
after
left
leaving?
on 31st December.
Yes.
So I left on 31st December 1990, and very next day, 1st January 1991, I joined Cat Vision Products Private Limited. That is a Delhi-based company.
Cat Vision.
So I joined
products.
at Mumbai.
Yes, sir.
Cat Vision Products Private Limited company.
So what did
That
you do, sir?
company
There?
was involved in installation, installation of dish antenna system.
Installation of
That
dish
was
antennas kind of
newly
thing. Yes.
introduced. Ah, dish antenna was big dish antennas that time. 3 meters, 4 meters high, wide dish antennas. And we used to install dish antennas only in 5-star hotels like Taj Mahal hotels, Oberoi Sheraton, and big people like Ambani. I installed a dish antenna that time at Ambani's residence at Kappare.
Acha, Ambani's residence
Even so
also we
Oberoi,
covered. Great.
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And it is a good job for a business purpose. The next, I could have switched over to business after some time, but I left that job because I got
Acha, one second,
interview.
Sarangdar Sahab, you be in the middle, sir, face. I just think there is some issue with your network also,
Okay.
bandwidth is not enough. So be close to the,
Network.
yeah,
is
the
not
issue
there.
there. Be close to the microphone and speak, sir. Okay, be in the middle. Yes, sir. Now it's okay. Yes, sir.
Can you
Yes, sir.
listen me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please go
I
on.
got this thing letter from Staff Selection Commission that I have passed a written exam, and my interview was scheduled after 15 days.
Okay.
So I resigned from this Cat Vision Products Limited, and I started preparing for my interview, and my interview was nice. But after interview also, there was a gap of 3-4 months. So they cannot immediately join me in the Central Excise Department. So during that period, I was searching for different jobs. So one of my relatives took me to a chief engineer Western Railway. He was also working in the Western Railway, and he has taken my interview. And on ad hoc basis, he has appointed me in Konkan Railway as a senior technical assistant to deputy chief engineer.
Sir, be in
So
the
I
middle,
was
sir.
working with
Be in the
deputy
middle of the
chief-
window, sir. Be in the middle. आपका वो side. Now it's okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, now
Okay.
it's okay. Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah,
So
Konkan
I
Railways.
joined Konkan Railway Corporation Limited.
Yeah.
Konkan Railway at Mahad sector as a senior technical assistant to deputy chief engineer. So I
Okay.
was working along with the deputy chief engineer, planning and all, planning of this overhead electrical wire at level crossing, underground electrical wire, then electrical installation, railway platform, railway station, electrical installation and all. So I
Okay.
worked there for around 8 months. 8 months I worked there. Then after I got a selection letter I received from Staff Selection Commission. So I resigned from there. I resigned from there and wanted to join Central Excise. But the chief engineer called me in his office at Belapur head office, and he told me, "Arey, you are an engineer, you are fit man for our department. I will promote you as an assistant engineer. That is a group A post. Why you are leaving?"
Okay, good.
But
Good.
I
Okay.
thought, at that time it was in my mind that Konkan Railway project, after project, they have taken me on ad hoc basis. After completion of project, whether they will give me a permanent job or not, I was doubtful. And this was a permanent job at my hometown. Central Excise job was at my hometown, means at Mumbai only. And this Konkan Railway, I was in Mahad section. I have to transfer from Belapur to Karwar. That I
Okay.
did not like. That's why I left Konkan Railway.
Okay.
I joined Central Excise and Custom as an inspector of Central Excise
Inspector. Yes, sir. Okay.
in 1990 in June 1992.
1990? 92, sir?
I was posted 92 June 92.
June 92. Okay.
I joined.
Okay.
So there I was initially posted. I was not knowing anyone, so I was given the lowest distinct range, no? Very low profile range, and I was there for 2 months. I was doing only clerical job. Even my friends used to laugh at me. "Arey, what you are doing?" But that I used later on. After learning everything, I came to know that inspector of Central Excise have good portfolio and distinct power. He can visit to any factory and take in and out of each and everything. At that time it was the Inspector Raj. You can go to any factory and you can ask for their records and check you are having in and out of the factory, from the infrastructure to raw material to finished goods, and how the manufacturing process, everything. One can build their own factory from learning these things.
Okay,
I
that's
was
great.
having in mind that after some time, after 12 years, after 20, 12 years of service, I will also open my own factory.
So you got a lot of experience in that industries and all. Great.
Lot
Yes, sir.
of experience that I was thinking to start my own business, but that could not materialize. Forget it. Then after I was now posted to division office after 2 years in the year 1994. Initial there was no Senvat credit manufacturer may be knowing Senvat credit now.
Yeah, you gone on mute,
Modvat
sir.
credit was introduced.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, now it's okay.
Modvat credit was introduced on capital goods.
Okay.
So capital goods credit they are taken, and they can utilize for clearance of final products like that. No?
Okay.
So I was told to go for inspection BPCL, Bharat Petroleum Products, Bharat Petroleum Limited. So I visited there for inspection, and I pointed out discrepancy of 2 crores. Wrong
Okay.
credit they had taken of 2 crores on capital goods.
Okay.
This was newly introduced scheme of credit on capital goods.
Okay.
So after pointing, I reported to my assistant commissioner, and immediately they are reversed. They are reversed 1 crore, and 1 crore was under dispute.
Oh, that's great. So because of
So
you,
that was the comment I got in that.
Acha, 1 crore benefit to your
1
organization.
crore paid, got the department got 1 crore benefit immediately.
Great, sir.
And I had completed only 2 years in the department.
So that's great.
Thereafter, I was posted to preventive and intelligence wing.
No, but did you get any
Central
appreciation for
And
1
many
crore?
cases.
Did you get any appreciation, sir, from the department?
Yeah, definitely. Yes, definitely. Yes. I got appreciation also and rewards also I got.
Rewards also. That's great. Congratulations.
Thereafter, rewards also.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thereafter, I was posted in preventive and intelligence wing.
Preventive
That raiding
intelligence.
and all, no, factory premises.
Sir,
preventive and
yeah, now it's fine, sir. Fine.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
Preventive and intelligence wing of.
What do they do, sir?
Central
Preventive
Excellence.
and
So I have
intelligence.
made many cases on
What is the function of a preventive and
preventive means
intelligence?
they can be function. You have to always be, you can raid any time in any factory. On road we have to stand and check the vehicle. If vehicle you found that there is no this thing, the duty paid documents we have to check on the road patrolling or standing on the road and stop the vehicle. And then
Acha.
if you don't get any documents or proper documents, you have to go to their factory and check this thing, their records and
Conduct surveys and raids and
stock
kind of.
taking.
Yes, sir.
Under surveys, cost of taking everything, and make a case. People
Okay.
are arrested during the Vasai. When I was posted at Vasai, we are arrested during 1 year. We are arrested 11 manufacturers, means owner of the factory premises.
Okay, that's
11
great.
Owners
So,
of the factory premises were arrested.
why,
because
sir? In
in
civil,
special
no,
very few
everything
people-
is manageable. Why did you arrest? Did they not manage you?
But that time it was not. That time it was not arrangeable. That time our team was very strict. Our boss was also very strict. So
Okay.
somebody said, no, that thing, there should be corruption start from the bottom.
Yeah,
But no, if your boss is strict, you cannot go for corruption. No.
yeah.
So
That's
corruption start from the top. If top man is corrupt, then everybody will be corrupt.
good. Okay,
So
okay,
our team was very strict.
okay. That's
Our
good.
team was not from top to bottom, very strict. And
Okay.
that's why we have made many cases. But we get reward on that. 20% reward, whatever tax we collect from their duty.
Okay, that's great.
We
Okay,
get reward on that.
okay. Reward is given to the division and divided
that
by
benefit-
all the team members. How is it, sir?
Yes. Divided by all team members.
Okay.
Divided in all team members.
Yeah. Okay. So good, great.
Then there are our second department is the central excise. Sorry, customs. Marine and preventive wing of customs.
Okay.
The
okay.
marine and preventive wing of customs is coastal area customs. So we have to do sea patrolling. That time because of this 1993 bomb blast was there in Mumbai. No?
Okay.
After that in 1993 only it started. That joint patrolling along with Navy, local Mumbai police and custom officers.
What is the jurisdiction, sir?
Petrol,
What?
near-
How much extent? Jurisdiction.
Up to 5 nautical miles. 5 nautical miles from seashore.
5
Oh,
nautical
custom
miles
port.
from seashore. Yes, sir.
5 nautical miles inside. The whole night we have to patrol. After that, after 5 nautical miles, the coast guard will take over.
No,
They were
image,
patrolling.
your image is not. Yeah, now it's okay. Yes, sir. Go on. Yes. So up to 5 nautical miles, your
Then
jurisdiction.
after 5 nautical miles, our
sir.
jurisdiction. Yes.
Yes, sir. Okay. So did you
Then
find
I
any-
work in custom intelligence also.
So did you make any?
No, that is not.
Did you make any breakthrough, sir, while
Yes.
sea patrol?
No case.
Okay. Okay.
No breakthrough because it was stopped. Everything was stopped. After 93, everything was stopped.
Acha.
But thereafter, I was posted in intelligence wing of custom.
Okay.
And there I made so many cases. In Navasha custom, used to halt the container. Any container passing through, no, in the area of our jurisdiction. So we used to stop and check. And during that case, we have made many cases in customs.
So you
One
must
day
have got lot of
night I was
revenue.
patrolling.
Must have got
along
lot
with-
of revenue for your department.
Yes, sir. From department or for me also, I got a reward. Many, around 20 lakhs rupees reward I got. Total reward.
My God, congratulations for your great efforts.
20
Okay.
lakhs rupees.
So I believe because of your Air Force background, you are able to do good for your organization apart from yourself, not involving any corruption kind of thing.
Definitely. Yes, sir. Definitely, Air Force
So
has
now,
helped me.
yeah,
lot
I will
of-
try to.
I am here today because of only. Air
So my
Force was a
feeling-
great institution from me. I joined as a matriculate and passed out as a graduate engineer.
That is great.
Yes, sir.
So what were all the things that helped you in discharging your duties as an inspector in customs or intelligence or different things? What were all the qualities that helped you, sir, that you learned from Air Force?
Main thing is discipline, then concentration of job,
Yes, focusing on the
concentration of your work. Whatever work to focusing, whatever work is given to you, you sincerely do it.
job. Achha,
Yes, sir.
sincerity.
And
Sincerity.
this thing, continuously doing the work for 1 day, 2 days, continuously for 2.
Achha, without
That
any
night
stopping.
patrolling and guard duty were done in Air Force.
Achha, in the same
Without
way.
any stoppage. So throughout night we have to work. If any case is made, then throughout night we have to this thing, ascertain the stock taking and make a panchanama, and then produce next day morning that access to the court. That 2 days it goes. Sometimes 3 days also it takes.
Okay, 2-3 days
Continuously.
non-stop.
So yes, 2-3 days not stop. In custom CBI also like that only. And my wife has helped me a lot because I never used to come to home for 2-3 days, 4 days. So she used to manage alone with my daughter.
Achha, good. So you got a lot of support from your better half in that case. Yeah.
Sure.
Yes, sir,
Definitely
great.
she has
Okay,
helped me
sir.
a lot.
So, okay.
Thereafter, I came back to Central Excise Department.
Ah,
My total service was around 16 and a half. But I actually know I wanted some changes always. Same department, same work for 16 years and no promotion. Huh?
So you want
No
variety.
promotion for 16
Variety.
and a half years. I was in inspector only.
Okay.
So I wanted varieties and I wanted some dashing job. So I
Achha.
wanted to join actually either DRI or CBI.
What
So
is
DRI,
GRI, sir?
Director of
What?
Revenue Intelligence. Our
Achha, director, director,
DRI
GRI.
is Directorate of Revenue Intelligence.
Yes, sir.
But
Okay.
all our people only are same there, Central Excise and Custom.
Yes,
And
sir.
I learned that same work, whatever I did in custom, same work they are also doing. So I
Okay.
wanted to have different work. So I joined CBI on my
No,
own choice. Nobody forced me nothing.
Okay,
On
you
my
got a
own
post.
choice, that
You got on deputation through
option was
CBI,
same.
sir? On deputation?
Yes. On deputation, I went to CBI. And during interview also, they asked me, "Arey, you are an engineer. Why you want to this police force?" No, I said that I am interested in some intelligence and vigilance activities, and I just as a police work I would like to do.
So you wanted to do the
And
advantage job.
later on I came to know that there were so many engineers. There were so many engineers at higher levels. My
Okay.
SC was engineer, mechanical engineer. Yes.
Acha. Okay.
So initially I got trouble for 1 year for learning everything, and at the age of 51, 52, I joined police department and police training I had to undergo at Ghaziabad for 3 months.
3 months training. Yes. Okay. Okay.
I did that, no. 3 months training. I came back to training. I was working in Mumbai only, and I was
No,
my
but
department
sir,
was anti-corruption.
yeah,
department.
one doubt. How
At
did
Tanda
you,
House, Kolhapur.
one second, how did you manage CBI training at the age of 51 years
Mm.
for 3 months? How did you manage training?
I could do it. Now also I can. Now also I can.
You are ready. So because of Air Force training helped
I
you
am
there?
physically fit because I was physically fit. Air Force training also, bodybuilding also, and I was
Bodybuilding.
physically fit all the time. That's it.
That's you are maintaining
Bodybuilding
health,
also.
your health all the
Because
time.
physically fit I was all the Now
That's
also
great.
I am physically fit, 100% physically fit.
That's great, sir. It's a
Okay.
great inspiration for others also. Yeah.
Hmm.
So how is your journey in
many
CBI, sir, as an inspector and as a DYSP? Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. From 2009 to 2012, I was an inspector in CBI, and in 2012, after completing 20 years of service, I was given the status of Deputy Superintendent of Police, DYSP.
DYSP
Then
of
in CBI, uh, DYSP of CBI,
yes, sir.
Superintendent of Police, Deputy Superintendent of Police. But in
Okay.
CBI, Inspector, Deputy Superintendent of Police, or Additional Superintendent of Police, all are in same category as a 100% worker. That is investigating officers. IOs.
Investigating, okay.
They are called IOs.
I was.
And
Okay.
SP then above, SP, DIG, and above, Joint Director, IG. They are all supervisory officers, and mostly they come from IPS cadre.
Okay.
IPS cadre, supervisory cadre.
Okay.
And very few are promotee also. Very few promotee superintendent SPs are there. DIGs are also there. So I was reporting to two SPs. One Praveen Salunki was there, senior SP, and one Abhin Modak was there. He is a junior SP.
Okay.
So Abhin Modak was a mechanical engineer. So I
Acha.
was very much familiar with him. He helped me a lot in that department also. So many cases I handle, different, even central excise, not central excise, other civil cases, bank cases, and even defense cases also there, army recruitment scam and all. Then finally, I was this thing taken in Adarsh scam case. In 2010, October 2010, I was the initiator. I just, as per this, High Court orders and a letter from Defense Ministry, they started, our department started inquiry in Adarsh case. So I, along with one of my friends, other inspectors, we went initially to the Defense State Office, Mumbai Defense State Office. One Defense State officer was there that time, Mrs. Kashyap, I think Kashyap.
Be in the middle, sir. Please
He
be in the
helped us
middle.
lot.
Be in the middle. Come to the middle, sir. Middle. Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Defense State Officer is a IAS cadre, UPSC, pass through UPSC, like IAS, IPS, IR.
Yeah. Allied services. Yes.
Under Allied Services.
Yes, sir.
Allied Services they are coming. So we collected documents. We also collected some documents from the Maharashtra State Government, UD department and all. And finally, we registered a preliminary inquiry. After inquiry, we registered a RC, registered case in 2011, January 2011. And we started raiding everyone.
So how many were in your team, sir? How many
investigation-
officers I was in your team?
six IOs were there because
Okay.
this thing, documentation was involved, different this thing, department were involved. So 6 IOs were there, and a chief investigating officer was our SP.
Okay.
He was a promoted SP was there, and by the time my SP became a DIG, that
Acha.
Abhin Modak,
Okay.
he became a DIG that time, and when promoted SP was there, he was a chief investigating officer. And he was sitting in the office only, and we were doing field work all.
Okay.
So during the investigation and inquiry, we found only 13 people who had a quid pro quo. Quid pro quo means you are clearing some file and taking something. And they all are got some benefits out of clearing the other case file.
Who are
So
all
I
they,
will
sir?
start initial.
Who are all they? Were they officials or politicians?
So some politicians are there also there and officials are there. In
Officials
that
of
thing,
Bombay
in
Municipal
the
Corporation.
society, Bombay Municipal Corporation and Maharashtra State Government officials there, and two major generals were there. Ex-CM is there, and this thing secretary of the society was R.C. Thakur. He was working as a UDC in state office,
Okay.
and president of the society was Brigadier Vanchu. Brigadier, he was brigadier, ex-brigadier. Vanchu was the president. Actually, this issue started initially in the some 2003 only. It started. It
Okay,
was
sir.
a Kukri Park. That area, what is the building there? Adarsha Society building. That
Okay.
was a Kukri Park. It was
Kukri-
in the
Kukri
possession
Park.
of army.
Kukri Park.